here's an update of the Kindling machine. That's the new parts. I've made a anti-kickback. Okay, so we have that finger. I've just removed I've removed the wheel just for the video. What it does, when the boards arrive, it make like a ratchet. The board can go backwards. So the kickback of that, now it doesn't turn anymore like that and wedge. So the wheel, change position. The wheel is after the middle of the chisel, so it kind of balances. So with this device, I can call it the ratchet device. I think I improved about 80% of jamming. It still occurs, but it's not as bad as it was. I also invite you to go see RJC Kindling Machine channel on YouTube. I got very inspired while I was doing a machine designed by him. He makes an awesome machine. You should go check. Salute to Robert. Let's see what happened with a board with a huge nut on it. Here's the results.